Okay, let's sign up for a hosting account to get our website going. Within just a few minutes, we can have a website up and running here. So let's take a look at what these guys have to offer. This company is my recommended provider. This is who I use for all my hosting. I have quite a few websites hosted with these guys. I've had just nothing but a great experience with them. They have great support as well, with the very few times I've ever needed to contact them. All right, so let's take a look at the different hosting packages. You definitely want to go with Linux-based web hosting, and we want to make sure we have unlimited domains right here. Domains allowed. That's the big difference between the first option, this hatchling, and baby. And I'm going to recommend you go with the baby option. You have unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited domains. That means you can have as many websites as you want. You could set up 10 different websites, 100 different websites, and the price is the same. The only thing you would pay for would be if you register a new domain name. So you could have a domain name for your business under your business name. So let's say abcplumbing.com, if that were available. And then you could also have some domain names and web pages set up for search engine optimization, such as 24-hour Denver Plumbing or something to that effect. And that would help you out in the search engines. We'll cover that in some other videos, but let's just get our site set up. So you'll see that the pricing option on this one is we're going to pay monthly. At least that's what I recommend. The monthly fee is $9.95 a month. If you prepay, you can get it down to $7.95 a month. And $9.95 a month is really very inexpensive, and for all that you get with these guys, it's just a really good deal. Highly recommend you take this option. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Order Now button here, and I'm going to have to enter. I'm going to assume you don't have a domain name yet. If you do already have a domain name, you can choose the option for entering your own domain. So that's already registered. You would just have to update your name servers. So let's just assume that you don't have a domain name. We're going to do a search, and we're going to look at 24-hour Denver Plumbing.com. See if that's available. And it is. So we could register this one. We could also select the .net and .org versions. And I recommend maybe just start out with the .com. It's $15 a year per domain. Also very inexpensive. Continue. And then we're going to select, well, not much to select here. It's all pretty much pre-filled unless you want to choose an option for payment. Pay a year in advance or something like that. But I recommend monthly. And at the time of this video recording, they do have a coupon called GREEN, which will give you a discount of 20%. So you can see we have our domain name up here, we have our monthly hosting package, and we have the 20% off, and our total's only $19.96. So and it's also telling us that we're going to be paying $9.95 each month afterwards. So continue as a new customer. You're going to fill out your contact information. Choose a username. That's how you're going to log into your website in your control panel, as well as FTP if you ever need to. And then you'll enter your credit card information. And we can also be confident that our credit card information is secure as we submit it here on this secure connection, which you can tell that by the HTTPS. And also that we have the little icon over here with the lock, and that this certificate is issued for HostGator, and that we are dealing with a legitimate business. So you can enter your credit card information and be confident that it's secure. Now, also, by the way, I am a web developer, and there are new measures in place by the credit card companies to ensure that not only is this form secure, but the practices that this provider, with storing your credit card information and how they handle that information, ensuring that is actually safe. That wasn't a case just a few months ago, but now it is, to where everyone needs to comply with certain security measures. So you can be sure that your information is safe there. We're going to continue, although I'm going to get a bunch of errors. They're telling me, of course, I didn't fill in my credit card information or anything like that. But when you go through this process, if you miss anything, they'll let you know. You fill it in and you just continue. You'll then get an email with your login information, how to get into your control panel, and how to get your site going. I'll have additional videos that tell you how to do that. And if you visit WordPressYourself.com, this is where you'll find this video, as well as many others that will help you get going with setting up your own website. Thank you.